Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can host an event or a webinar on the Vimeo. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Vimeo website here. So as you can see, I've already opened it. Now simply what we need to do, we have to go to the host event or webinar option. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, some different type of option will be provided here. As you can see, has option. Now you have to choose that which type of option you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this reuse settings. And after clicking on the reuse settings, we have to click on the next option. And after clicking on the next option, as you can see, now you have to choose the details like the record starting, ending date, and the time zone and all things. After choosing these all things, you have to hit the create, and after clicking on the create, you will be redirected to the host page. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, now we are here. Now if you want to send to a stream, you can also do that. You can also enable your camera, you can also enable your mic. If you want to use your mic, you can also do that. If you want to add other speakers, you can also do that. As you can see, these all settings are provided here. If you want to share the link, you can also do that. As you can see, these links are also provided here. In this way, you can host a webinar or event on Vimeo. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.